my god, it has been forever. I miss you guys so much, and I'm actually serious, not just trying to be dramatic. I really miss you guys, and I'm so sorry that I've not been able to put up like stuff of recent. I've actually been really working on the quality of our videos, and I kind of still had to use my phone to record this time, only that I did it like in a bright background. So I'm very sure you love this video quality. Okay guys, first thing, you should subscribe right now. If you have not subscribed to this awesome channel, you should subscribe right now, man. We need to reach 1K subscribers by the end of next 2 weeks. Yeah, so please, according to Precious requested that I teach how to cover a phone case. Yeah, so I'm also going to be teaching that as part of the things I'll be doing today. So stay tuned guys, and I hope you love it. Bye. This is the phone case that I'm going to be designing. Also, you can see how tattered it is. This is a phone case that I have designed before, but I do not know if you guys want a tutorial on this, then you should let me know, right? But today I'm going to be designing the phone case with another kind. It is Ankara covered buttons, basically. Okay, so we're going to start with this. So I have already covered my buttons before now, so I'm just going to be placing them on the table and pick them as I want. Yeah, so it's pretty easy. Before you start, you can decide to show how you kind of want it to look. Yeah, just look at how you really want to pan out the design. So you can decide how you want it to look right before you start, or you can just, like me, what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go ahead with the gluing. Okay, let me use the other one. Start with this one. By the way, if you do not know how to make covered buttons, then you should check the video I made on this. It's showing right now on how to make a stud earring. I showed exactly how to do it. You should check out that video and then come back and watch this one. Straight on the screen now.
Okay, so the last bit, I'm going to be placing the button right in the middle. There you have it, guys.
Phone case, as you can see. My phone is not in it because that's obviously what I'm using to record the video. So I'm going to have to take another picture with my phone in it using another phone.